Alright, hey everybody, today is our daughter's actual birthday party, so we've gone to every possible store that we need to go to get all the supplies for everything that she wants for her party. She wanted to wait till grandma got into town, so yeah, we're having a party today. But yeah, we'll show you guys once everything is set up, but just wanted to check in with y'all while we were still on the road. I think we have one more place to go. It's been a very long morning so far, but I'm just excited to go home, make some cake. She wanted a unicorn cake, and then this morning I asked her and she decided she just wanted a chocolate cake. Typical, just typical. I had spent all week looking up how to like make fondant and all this stuff, or maybe buy fondant from somewhere else, but she just wants my chocolate cake with chocolate frosting and some chocolate cupcakes. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, that's it for now, and we will check back in with you guys once we get home. We've got the big sister helping out, loading up all of the cupcake pans. So nice, good job. Good job, big sister. Are you excited for your sister's birthday party?
Get the nails, get the nails.
So cute. Oh, she got her nails done in pink. Let me see. A nice pearl pink. So pretty.
And it has sparkles on it.
And there's sparkles on it? Okay, nice shawl. Who made that, Auntie Helen?
Yeah.
My aunt from Trinidad knitted little capes for the girls.
And it keeps us warm.
We've got the cupcake pans ready, and I'm about to start working on the cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes. All right, let's go. Then here's the birthday girl. Come, Carmie, with her little Minnie Mouse balloon. So pretty. Let me see your face. Oh wow, we haven't done the birthday makeup yet. We're gonna do what? You want the white fairy makeup? Oh, she got her nails done, and then we're gonna do the white fairy makeup a little bit later, right?
Yeah.
All right, okay, go ahead. Karina is cutting up strawberries. Nice work. Rocky cut up the celery and the carrots, and Daddy's just getting rid of the little brown parts before we put it in the little platter. All right, we've got big sister getting the strawberries ready to go in the platter. Okay, go ahead. Yep.
Carrots are sweet.
All right, that's good. Put the cookies right next to the strawberries, okay? And turn them out this way.
Wesley, I like it a lot if you weren't growling.
Ooh, They're these little clusters from Trader Joe's. I showed you guys the other day that we got, and Carmie loved these, and she said she wanted them at her birthday party. Caesar dressing going in the middle to go with the celery and the carrots. Nice work. All right, so we've got our first platter ready to go. What, are you excited? Are you excited? These puffs are Carmie's favorite little treat, so those are a must. Yeah, these are some of her favorite puffs. She's loved these ever since she was like 1, right? Okay, Rocky is making some tortilla chip from our leftover wraps. You don't gotta go broke having a birthday party. Just use what's in your fridge. You show your little plate.
Carrots, celery, cookies, and strawberry.
Any little bites? Yummy. Okay, so I'm making a couple little quick pasta salads. This is going to be the pesto pasta salad here. We're using Trader Joe's vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto. It's good, but it needs a lot of seasoning to really pop. We're going to just use some marinara and vegetables for another little pasta salad, and then we're having mac and cheese. Mac and cheese here, mushrooms, onions, spinach, and tomatoes. And a little bit of marinara sauce. That's going to go with the rest of the rotini, so we have 3 pastas. Alright, so we're just mixing that in with the rest of the rotini, with a little bit of Italian seasoning, some salt and black pepper. I just took some Guardian chicken strips, a bag of Guardian chicken strips, cut them down the middle. I put some agave and some sesame seeds on one, and I put some barbecue sauce on another, and these are just plain, and we're just loading them up on these little skewers, and we'll have a little dipping sauce to go with it. So other little quick, easy party ideas for you guys. That's all.
I'm eating some pasta with sauce. I think there's mushrooms in here. Kind of like some dried tomatoes. What are you eating, Wesley? What you eating? Yeah, pizza. What are you eating?
Pasta, pizza, beef, and that.
What's it, Grandma?
How's the salsa? Try the salsa. How's it? Ooh.
How was it, Carmie?
Carmie, what are you eating? Oh, you're almost done eating everything. What are you eating?
I'm eating pasta, carrots,
Celery?
celery, and I'm almost done.
Stuffed. I got 2 slices of pizza. I haven't even touched the pasta yet, but I'm stuffed.
Chicken, how was it?
The skewers, the sauces, really good. It's like a honey sesame.
Ooh. How is it? How's that honey? Ooh, that honey sesame. She likes the honey sesame.
How was it, Carmie?
Wait!
Hi, Wesley. Hi, Carmie. Happy birthday. Say hi, Wesley.
Hi.
Sister time.
Okay, we're doing Carmie's fairy makeup. Fairy queen makeup.
Are you having fun so far?
Yeah.
You just changed into your evening attire. You got your makeup done. Let's see the makeup. Stay right there.
So cute. Oh,
And I
wow.
have little earrings.
Oh,
Earrings, little heart earrings. Let me see. Some little makeup heart earrings drawn on.
wow. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Look at that photo.
Big sister is helping to make the cake for her little sister's birthday. It is our infinite vegan cake. This cake is called Finn. It is literally the best chocolate cake you'll ever taste in your life. I dare you to make it and not think it's the best chocolate cake you've ever made in your life. The recipe is right up top here. Make it, love it, and we'll go from there.
Mixing.
Nice, and mix that agave in after it's all poured in. Take your time. Don't worry if it looks too liquidy. That's what's gonna make it super moist.
It smells so good.
The liquid from a can of garbanzo beans. Our cake mix, homemade chocolate cake mix, is finally done.
I think it's wet.
You think it's ready?
What you got there?
I got a cupcake
Mm-hmm.
What's on it?
strawberry sprinkles.
Yeah, some sprinkles. All right, you ready to dig in? Okay, we gotta sing happy birthday first, okay? Yeah. Woo! Yeah! How is it? Is it good? Did you have the strawberry? Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Take the chocolate. Taste the chocolate part. Oh, how was that part? Mmm. She said, guys. She said, Ooh. How's that? It's good? How's it going there? Is it nice and tasty? All right.
Get everybody dig in.
All right, guys. Take your cupcakes. How's it, Rocky?
It's exquisite.
It's good.
Karina helped with the cupcakes. Thank
Karina, you did a good job. Everybody loves it.
Thank you, Karina.
Thank you, Karina.
Thank you, Karina.
Yay. Happy birthday. Yeah. What'd you get? Oh, wow. All right, got the dinosaurs.
What is that?
Hey, put it down and open it up. Oh! Pop up. Look at that. Wow, that is so cool.
Thanks, Daniel. Thanks, Glenda.
Wow.
Yeah. T-Rex. T-Rex.
Thanks for watching.
All right, everybody, we are signing out. Today has been such a long day. We are just gonna have some ice cream, do some dancing. I'm not gonna be doing any dancing. I'm gonna be putting my feet up before they swell and spontaneously combust. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys go ahead and try that cupcake recipe. I'm telling you, it is so delicious. Waylon, come and sign out with me. Another day conquered. So there are 19 days left to this pregnancy. Get excited. I did not do a bump watch today. I don't know if I even have it in me. Thanks so much for watching this. We will check in with you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Oh, I just woke up to this. So my wife decided she was going to wake up and make a cake for Carmie. Now she is making some vanilla frosting, even though there's already chocolate frosting.
Gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Good job.
Can't wait to see her face when she realizes that I made the chocolate cake too. At the last minute yesterday, all she was talking about was cupcakes. I said, do you want a cake? She's like, I want cupcakes.
Chocolate cupcakes.
With chocolate frosting. So I'm like, okay.
Kids, man.
Yeah. I'm like, your wish is my command. And then last night, like, as we're getting ready for bed, she's like, I thought I was getting a cake too.
It's like, yo, what?
My ass was up at 6:30 this morning making this cake. This is the cake that I once put a picture of on Instagram, and two people contacted me to make them cakes. And yeah, so I could have started a cake business. I technically did start a cake business off of this cake. But yeah, baking is one of my true loves.
Ooh.
Just a little.